All right, so we're going to take a moment and talk about how chiropractic care in our office works, and we're going to use this diagram to be able to help with that. And over time, this is going to change, so we'll watch really closely. This is based on our 3R method: relief, repair, and renew. And it's based on working on making corrective changes in your spine and nervous system, getting your body as healthy as possible. But it begins with relief. That's our initial intensive care. And this happens within the first 1 to 2 months, where we're working on relieving your most significant symptoms, reducing inflammation and pain. Your schedule during that time, we've maybe already talked about this, is going to be right around 3 times a week, 2 to 3 times per week. The next step is repair. That's where we're working on correcting and stabilizing care. So as that intense pain improves, correcting and stabilizing the condition then becomes more important, focusing on correction and strength. Your schedule during that period, 1 to 2 times a week. Then we'll work into our renew, our maintenance wellness phase. Once we get things corrected, feeling, functioning amazing, we want to keep it that way. And our renew portion, our maintenance and wellness care, will do that. And at this stage, we're working on keeping the spine and nervous system healthy, taking steps to prevent reoccurrence, and continuing to build health. Your schedule will be once a week, anywhere from once a week to once a month, depending on what's going on. Now we're going to move forward and talk about what happens as a part of that. During that relief phase, you're going to get adjustments, traction, exercises, whatever it is that we determine that you're going to need to work on relieving the pressure. But then we may also be doing some other things to help reduce the inflammation, anti-inflammatory nutrition, laser therapy, those kinds of things tend to happen also during this initial intensive phase. Once we move into the repair phase, correcting and stabilizing, again, the adjustments, traction, and exercises, those are the things that create our correction. We'll be doing those, but then our exercises might change. They may be more focused on, instead of relieving pain, improving your fitness and wellness, or making more corrective changes inside the spine. Your nutritional approaches might be different as well. This may be a good opportunity to see our wellness coach, Chris, who's going to teach you how to be as healthy as possible with nutrition and supplementation. And then our wellness, our renew phase, again, adjustments, traction, exercises, all the things to get and keep things functioning well. But then we also have some online courses and different things that can teach you continually how to be as healthy as you can possibly be. So those are some things that are included or that you'll be getting during your time here in our office during those phases. Now we'll talk about how insurance works. During that relief stage, most insurances are usually going to cover your chiropractic care, your exercises, your traction. That's very common during that initial intensive phase. During the repair stage, some insurances will cover during that correcting and stabilizing period of time. Not all of them, but some of them definitely will. And then we get to the renew stage, where we're maintaining and improving and building upon your health. Once we're out of that active treatment for the injury, even though this kind of care is very important to make sure that we keep things working well, insurance tends to not cover that. So we just want to make sure we're really clear on the various ways that we work with you, the different things that we use to help make corrections, how insurance will be a part of that. And we're so thankful for the opportunity to be able to work with you. We'll see you soon.